Hi guys, Steph here. Right, as you people out there already know, I like to tease you now and again with a pen from my pen haul videos. And yesterday I showed you a brief video and I teased you with this here. This blue case here with... No, I tell you what. Yes, let's keep you in suspense with this one. Okay, so what I'll do a separate review on this one. The clue is in the box for you regular viewers, but very nice indeed. So there you go. That's the mystery one for today. And here's that box in question. Now, I've had a few replies on the video, some people saying, oh, I recognise that box. Well, you should do. For you regular viewers that watch my videos, you will know that I've shown you this kind of box before in numerous other videos, so you should recognise it. Okay, so now for you people that are still saying, no, I don't recognise it, what is it? Let's show you. Hey! There we go, and that's what it is. It's a yard OLED. Okay, now although I'm actually, I'm mainly a vintage pen chap, and you know, I like fountain pens. I am actually quite partial to these Yada lead pencils when I find them. I've got quite a few available, some in bad condition. I've got some nice ones, so anybody looking for a Yada lead, you know what to do. Get in touch. So yes, in this particular case, it's not a pen, it's a pencil. So let's take it out. Underneath there you go. You've got the instruction booklet underneath. Okay, so it's a hard case, as you can see, and it helps to protect this absolutely gorgeous pencil. Take a look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? Yes, a bit of silence so you can actually just take it in. Absolutely stunning. So as I said, I'm sometimes partial with these Yada leads when I find them. Most of them are available, but this one, to be quite honest with you, just a brief story. When I went out on a weekend pen haul, a gentleman had a job lot of pens, and this one was hiding in between all the pens. We negotiated a price for all the pens, and to be honest with you, they weren't cheap. I did pay him actually good money, but the bonus was that when I got home and I checked on this, it's a 9-carat gold Yada lead pencil, a solid gold Yada lead. The size of this pencil, from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, it's around about 125 millimeters. Around the barrel, it's a nice 8 millimeters in diameter. Comes with this gorgeous engine turn barleycorn pattern to the cap there. We've got a cartouche, and yeah, I think, is there one there? Or no, I think that's where the hallmarks are. So yeah, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous pencil. Like all of these pencils, you'll see there, it's got the very recognisable Yada lead clip with the word Yada lead running down the clip. And that's the sort of top there. It's got a little knurled sort of knob. I believe this one is the Yada lead Deluxe model. Absolutely gorgeous. So let's take a look. Let's have a look at the hallmarks. Let's take a closer look for you. Okay, so there's the hallmarks to the barrel, and it reads YOL for yard of lead. It's got the number 9 and then 375 for 9 karat gold. It then has the letter N, which I'm dating through to 1968, and then it's got the leopard passant to the very 8, which I believe, well, to the end, shall I say, which I believe is the London Hallmark. Okay, so although Yard of Lead are actually based in Birmingham, it appears to have a London Hallmark. So that's the one on the barrel. If we turn it round, there we go. We've got another, is it 937 on the cap, as you can see there. Again, indicating it's 9 karat gold. And last but not least, we've got the hallmark on the clip as well. So even the clip is actually 9 karat gold. And there you can see, as we've just said, it's got yard of lead running down the length of the clip. And you can see there this gorgeous engine turn pattern. You can see the lovely gold cone to the end there. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so let's get back to the normal. So there you have it, a gorgeous 9 karat gold yard of lead, dated around the 1968 period. So not vintage, I would say, but yeah, you know, quite old. But the beautiful thing about it is this superb condition that it's in. No dings, obviously no wears, in beautiful condition. Incidentally, the weight of this, if you put the whole pen on the scales, it actually weighs 27.5 grams in 9 karat gold. Okay, so a heavy pencil, and if you work it out in gold value, an expensive pencil as well. Does it work? Yes, of course it works. We just simply turn the cap like so. You can see the lead there coming out of the pencil, and what we have is a yard of lead, made in England, obviously, because it's made in Birmingham, although it's hallmarked London, and it's dated 1968. But as you can see, in full working order. Very nice indeed. To retract it, we just simply turn it the other way, and as you can see, it goes back into the barrel. So there we have it. There's your mystery pencil. A beautiful yard of lead deluxe in 9 karat gold. Incidentally, don't bother inquiring, because this is going in my own collection. So there we have it. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pencil as much as I enjoyed showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below. Don't be shy. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe as well. But for now, I'm just going to say Slavo Ukraini from me and this beautiful pencil. Bye-bye for now.